Alright guys, this is PEF number 14. We're going to go ahead and multiply this out. So 2x times 3x is 6x squared. Outside is going to give me plus 8x. Inside is going to give me minus 21x minus 28. Combine those together like terms. So that's going to give me negative 13x minus 28. Next one, if we multiply it out, we're going to get, this is a special case. So we have 25x squared plus 10x minus 10x minus 4. Those cancel out, so I get 25x squared minus 4. We want to factor out a greatest common factor and see if it does any more. So it looks like I can factor a 3 out of both of those and an x, so it's going to be 2x minus 3. Oops, I did number 4. Well, we'll go to number 7. All right, let's see. Factors, let's see, that's 81. Everything has to be positive. We're going to go 9 and 9, and that totally works. So I get x squared plus 9x plus 9x plus 81. I have an x in common. I can factor out a, whoops, that's an 81. Sorry about that. Factor out a 9, so that's going to give me x plus 9. So my answer is x plus 9, x plus 9. Sometimes you might want to write that as x plus 9 quantity squared, but that answer is fine as is. Okay, we're going to multiply those together, so we have negative 60. So we have alternating signs, 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12, 6 and 10. 6 and 10 are totally going to work, where we're going to have a positive 10 and negative 6. So I have x squared minus 6x plus 10x minus 60. Factor an x out of those first two, so that's x minus 6. Factor a 10, a positive 10, so that's x minus 6. So my answer is going to be x minus 6, x plus 10. Number 11, let me scroll down a little bit. Number 11, if I multiply those together, I get to negative 24. I know I have alternating signs. And I'm going to go with 3 and 8. So I have a positive 8, negative 3. You can go ahead and list the rest, but those are the two that are going to work. So you get 6x squared minus 3x plus 8x minus 4. Factor out an x. Factor out a 3x, excuse me. That's going to be 2x minus 1. And I can factor out a 4. That was minus 4 right there. That's going to give me 2x minus 1. So my answer to that is going to be 2x minus 1 and 3x plus 4. Number 13, we're just going to factor out. Looks like a greatest common factor. I'll factor out an x out, so that's as far as we can go. Next one, I can factor a 5 out, and that leaves me 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. So the 5 is going to be part of the answer. Multiply those together, so I'm going to get 2. They both have to be positive, so 1 and 2 will both work to add up to 3. So I get 2x squared plus 2x plus 1x plus 1. Factor out a 2x. So I have x plus 1. Factor out a 1, so I have x plus 1. So x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. Notice we did not forget the 5. Let's see, that's going to be negative 42. And I think 6 and 7 are going to work, where I have a negative 7, positive 6. So 2x squared plus 6x minus 7x minus 21. Factor out a 2x, so that's x plus 3. Factor out a negative 7, x plus 3, notice the sign changed, x plus 3, and 2x minus 7. Number 19, it's already in 4 terms, so I can factor out an x, and that leaves me x plus 2. Factor out a plus 5, that leaves me x plus 2. So the x plus 2 is matched, that's what you want. X plus 2, x plus 5 is our answer. This one, we're going to get positive 6. Both terms are positive. 2 and 3 are going to work. So I'm going to go x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So I can factor out an x plus 2, factor out a 3, x plus 2. So x plus 2 and x plus 3 is our answer. 23, I have a positive 42. I know both signs have to be negative because I have a negative sign right there. And we're going to go 6 and 7, both being negative. So x squared minus 6x minus 7x plus 42. Factor out an x minus 6, factor out a negative 7, x minus 6, notice the sign changed, x minus 7, x minus 6, x minus 7 is our answer. 25 looks like the difference two squares, but that's a plus sign, so this is prime. It will not factor. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.